How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? So let's look at grass. Oh, we don't have the paid version, but we don't need that paid version. All right, so let's check the grass. Yesterday has been listed on, many exchanges. As you can see from here, I think it got listed around, I think here, this is the time it got listed. So essentially it's on market for 20 hours. So it's still in the first day of trading and got listed pretty much on Bybit, Binance, MX. So literally on one of the biggest exchanges, which is very huge. And, if you just look at the grass, you've been farming it for the past, few months, few years. I got like 120 tokens, which means I got right now by this price around $100. But yeah, I think, they listed the grass literally in the bull run. So I think the grass has lots of, upwards potential. So yeah, let's just chart this bad boy. All right. So what I'm going to do, we're going to do daily or monthly high, whatever you want to call it. This is essentially, pre-market. So what we can do is we can do a trend line from here. So what we're gonna do, from here, pre-market. So this has been the pre-market, and then from here to here was pre-market, and then as you can see, there's so much more volatility when they actually came on the markets. So yeah, essentially here we got I can say a monthly high and a monthly low. So this is just the range that we're gonna be trading this. So let's go a little bit down on time frames, because we don't have much, go from here. Well, we can, but it's gonna be easier for you to understand. So first, I think the point of control is gonna be the whole number, which is gonna be setting at around 1. Right? It's not perfectly calibrated on 1, but essentially this is like a zone. When you do these lines, you kind of want yourself to know that this is literally like a zone, right? So this is a zone where the price is going to be going next. So this is a zone which is going to be the next price of control, whatever you want to call it. And then if we break this, then essentially we got another zone right here. As we can go in backwards, we got quite a few liquidations. We got test right here. We got a little bit of consolidation here, then move up again, consolidation, move up, breakdown of this channel, boom, and we went down. So right here we have the next point of control, and it's going to be around here. So this is where liquidations and people started selling. So this is where sellers are going to be. So this is going to be the next point of control, which price wants to go up. So now we know that essentially people are going to be selling at this price and selling at this price. So this we can put like here, it doesn't matter. So this is just a zone. So people are going to be placing sell orders here and sell orders here. So, if the price is not going to be strong enough, it's going to go a little bit more down, then consolidate, and it's going to go up. Now, if we look at this price zone, we got this price zone right here, and this is going to be the next, this is, along the way, but this is going to be essentially where people are going to be putting limit sells as well, because this is the highest point. And before we go to all-time high, usually we have some consolidation in the next pattern. So essentially how the price could essentially go is we go here, boom, we move, we go down, maybe we move a little more down, we go up. So we kind of trend in this kind of consolidation and patterns, because we're not going to go like this. We never, price never goes like this. It goes in patterns. Essentially we go here, then it kind of consolidates, maybe goes down, boom, 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 goes up, retest, and then goes up and towards the next location. So this is what we have right now. Now we can put, now let's go to 15 time frame, right? As I can just see from, I'm gonna put this a little bit more down. So from here we can just see that from here, if we just draw a line, it's not a good line. Let's go to 5 minutes. Yeah, this is better. We got a close position here, so I like to put them with the close positions, and then we just do this. And now you can see how the price was going, by the trend line, and everybody's gonna say, yeah, it went down. Yeah, this is just like kind of a zone. So this would be like a zone like this and like this, where the price is gonna move up and down and up and down. So just like a cloud, as you can see, it's breaking out. So we're testing the one zone right here. But these trend lines, I really love to use them, because so either you can put this here, or you can do another one with the close positions, and sometimes you have to kind of vary. So we're gonna have to do this, and in the next video which the price, if it's gonna go up, you're gonna see how it's gonna trade in here. It's gonna go up and down and up and down. There's gonna be wicks up here and, you know, close positions right here, and we're gonna see if we're gonna go down. So now we know we're in uptrend. Now, if you don't know, you know, if you cannot spot and you haven't been trading for, you know, quite some time, then you're not gonna know which is gonna be an uptrend and downtrend. So let me give you an explanation how easy is this actually to understand. Look, we're gonna put this as a green, boom, right? Now we're gonna start with a lower, with a low, and then from here we're gonna go up. This is a higher high. Now we're gonna do another one right here, and it's a lower high, which means the price goes up and it doesn't break the structure right here. We're gonna put another one right here, another higher high. We go price, boom, 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 boom. Now we can put another one. We can put one right here. We got another higher low, right? And then we go here and we have a lower high, which means this high is lower than this one, which in principle, it doesn't mean anything, because as long as the price of the next one doesn't break down here, there's no structure break, which means the price is still going up. And now we can see, oh, let me go back. Come on. Here it is. And now we see right here, we got another higher high. That means the price is still going up. So the trend lines are usually, you know, the same with the structure breaks. That's why the trend lines work, because, you know, it's just a different kind of style which you can incorporate into trading analysis that gives you a different angle of how to actually trade. And, you know, if you use both of these, now I actually understand, okay, we got a low, we got a higher high, bam, 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 bam. So it kind of goes like this. And now as we can see, the grass is doing another higher high. Oh, let me go here. Boom. It's already made another higher high. And now, you know, when you trade, it's always great to, you know, check different stats. So now we know we're at point of control. Let me give you a circle, right? This is co-sanction. This is going to be a strong support, resistance for now, right? Because we got a higher high. We got co-sanction with one and with the liquidation zones. So this is going to be a high point for grass to break. So there's going to be some, you know, if we go to 1 minute time frame, you're going to see there's going to be some selling right here. Now let's see what we have. So now we know it's going uptrend, boom, 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 still going up, you know, everything looks good. Now let's just look at MACD and RSI. If we go to 1 hour, you know, RSI here was down below. Doesn't matter, this was pre-market, so we're not gonna check that. But as we can see, the RSI is almost starting to get into oversold territory, which means we could still have another week up there and then consolidate a little bit down, like I said before, and then slowly progress. If we look at 2 hours, RSI is still good, it's going up, still has, you know, lots more potential over here. Let's see, 4 hours still gonna be down, yeah, at the bottom. So if we look at 4 hours, you know, still has a lot more potential to go. But if we go to 15, we're gonna see, okay, you see, we got a down week. You see the rejection from exactly the point that I, you know, wrote or styled it before. And now you can see how it respects this zone. And now we're gonna see how the price is gonna move. So, you know, the next point here, what we can do is we can go to 1 minute time frame, we can put this guy right here. So this is where the previous high was, and this is where the zone of support is going to be next played. Now, what I like to do when I trade this stuff is I like to put a zone right here. So yeah, as you can see here, it consolidated a little bit as well. So we're going to put this as a green zone, and then from here, you can essentially, you know, sell from here, go to here, you make 7% of profits, and you long from here, you know, if the price stays in and consolidates and the RSI goes down and everything goes sanctions with stuff like that. And as we can see right here, this is going to be the next point of control. And so the price is going to go down, either it's going to consolidate here or it's going to go down, maybe does a wick towards here, which is going to be towards here. And if the wick goes here, then we're going to have another, you know, the price is new, so it can just fucking shoot up. But essentially, you know, if we look at trading analysis, this is how we would trade. Go up, make the zones where the liquidations are. You know, people went high here, long here, so you can go down, essentially expect a breakdown, still on the trend line, doesn't break the structure and goes up. So yeah, so now we got everything done. I think this is it. I mean, we don't have anything else. We just have to see how the price is going to move, how it's going to, you know, go up, if there's going to be a lot of restrictions. You must understand this coin is very new. I think it's around 260 million right now, something like that. It was right here, was around 180, so approximately like 260 if we just look at the market again, but yeah, that doesn't matter. So yeah, now we're just gonna see, we're just gonna see how the price is gonna move. I'm gonna leave this here, and I'm not gonna touch it. So in the next video, maybe like tomorrow, if the price is gonna move a lot, we're gonna go back to this chart and see how it played out. But essentially, as I said, we have to check if the price is gonna move. Give me. The price is looking really good right now. I mean, really fucking good. It's really strong. Everybody's buying it. We're in bull run, so everything is just looking fantastic. So yeah, you have to be careful of this zone right here, this zone right here, and just wait, you know, that the price consolidates and goes up. As you can see, it just broke out. Boom. Look at this. But it's respecting the lines. You know, it's got some problems here. You see? Here just went up, it's strong, but as you can see, the wicks are getting higher, which means there's more volume, so the price is gonna go even more up. But yeah, that's about it. And by the way, if you have any more tokens that you would like me to do trading analysis, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to do them in the next video. Or if there's gonna be a lot of them, I'm just gonna do one video which, you know, I'm gonna do trading analysis on every single one, so you guys will have more representation of trading analysis in different tokens. So yeah, do that, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.